What is up everyone, JFlores here for the vlog, and today we're gonna make some spicy tuna pasta. Let's go. Intro. So before we start, make sure you are subscribed, and if you are subscribed, make sure you hit that bell. And if you hit that bell, make sure you leave a like or a comment down below. Okay, let's proceed. For today's cooking tutorial, this is gonna be a part of my 5-minute series and canned goods recipe. Kasi as we all know, we're still under lockdown or ECQ, so might as well make canned goods better or have a little fun sa mga canned goods natin sa bahay. You'll just need a couple of ingredients, whatever you have at home. Kung anong gusto nyo ilagay, just go ahead. But without further ado, game. That is it for the vlog, everyone. I hope you had fun. Again, I hope you will try that at home. Ang dali-dali lang nun. Whether you're a home cook or you're a chef, you can do that easily. Just be more creative. And if you'd like that one, give this video a thumbs up. Again, never forget to subscribe. leave a comment kung anong gusto nyong lulutuin ko the next time around. Stay safe everyone. God bless. Peace.